You'll never believe what I got for you today. First of all, new light from Zhiyun. Still not sure if I spell it correctly, but anyway, the light is named X100. And second, I want to give this light for you for free. So basically I'm just making a giveaway, and if you want to take part in this giveaway and you want to have a chance to win this light for free, all you need to do is to check the description under this video, because I will write all the information about this giveaway there. Meanwhile, my name is jeanblack, welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's talk about this light. First of all, I have to say that I'm really happy to see how tiny and small the light can be today, because when I was searching for my very first light for my very first project, normally the light looked like this. It was loud as hell, it was hot as hell, and it was not really good. And today this is all you need for almost everything. And I'm talking not only about your personal needs like YouTube or any kind of other social media platforms, no, but also for a commercial project, because the light can be that small but still more powerful than pretty much everything 10 years ago. This light in particular can be controlled remote with the special application which is named ZI Vega. And talking about the quality of this light, TRI is 95 and TLCI is 97, which means you will have the best performance according to the quality of the light and the colors. This light can be powered in 3 ways: grip battery, DC adapter, or Type-C fast charger, which means you can use this light just with a battery for your outside projects or scenes. With maximum brightness of the light, the battery lasts around 30 minutes. The light has a cooling fan which is quite visible, but still looks solid. I got the X100 Combo, which means I got a lot of additional devices for the light. And I mean, look at the boxes. I'm gonna show you and explain everything I got just in one sec. And after the unboxing part, we're gonna proceed to testing the light. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing those boxes. And the first one is extension plate. Here we go. If you don't know why I need this, it is for you to make the opportunity to fit a lot of similar lights on one plate. So you can put like G60 here, X100 here, and you can put it somewhere on your grip or your gimbal. Very convenient thing. The next one is extendable grip, which is quite useful thing, not only for the light. You can put some kind of a little camera here and it will still hold perfectly, I think. As you can see, to open this we need to go like this and extend our extension thing. It goes like this and close. Next we have a tripod. I think it's a very small tripod. Yeah, so it's like this. Again, you can use it not only for the light, you can put some GoPro here and it's gonna be a perfect thing for backstage or something. This is unnamed box. I'm not sure what's inside of this box. Okay. Oh, this is really nice. It's if you know the tripod which named Gorilla Pod or something, it's very convenient thing. You can place whatever you want here, like light or GoPro or whatever, and you can mount it to the tripod like this. Let me show you. Right? Yeah. And you can place almost everything here, and you can rotate it almost like everything everywhere you want. So you can place in your phone here and it will work like perfectly. So it's a really nice thing. I'm really happy I have it. The next one is dome diffusion. So yeah, it looks like this, works like this. So this thing is for you when you want to have the softest light possible. So your light will go like to every direction. Then we have a Bowens mount adapter. This thing is for you when you want to mount your light to a big softbox. So you see, you can place your light here and mount these things to a huge softbox. I'm gonna show it a bit later, okay? And basically I have a softbox itself. To make it happen, you can go like this, and here we go. It's a very small softbox, and it also has a grip for the softbox if you want to have more direct light for the subject, and of course the light itself. So inside of the box you will meet the original design from Zhiyun, like this one, and let's see what's inside of the case. All right, so we have I think it's the battery for the light, and yes, I was right, it's the battery for the light. Then we got the cable for charging and power up, and then we got the light, ocean fire, and the light looks like this. X100. Alright, since we finally finished the unboxing part, let's start testing the light. Alright, so this is how the light looks like connected to my tripod. As you can see, this is not really hard constructor. Also, as you can see, I have already connected the battery to the light. As you can see, here's the battery, here's the light. Let's try to turn it on, and the button is right here. And yes, it's working, and battery is fully charged, which is very lucky of me, actually. So yeah, as you can see, we have only three control buttons. Actually, one button and two dials, I think. I can press it. So I think yes, it's presets. If you're pressing, like one press, it's 50% of the power, and if you press it again, it's 100% of the power. And if you want to change the color temperature, alright, it's three presets. One click is 227, two clicks is 5K, and 6K. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, you can just like rotate it like this to change the brightness, and here to change the color temperature. So in general it looks like this. I'm gonna turn it like here, but it's way too bright. So as you can see, my current lighting situation is not the best, and I want to check if X100 can fix this situation. So first of all, I'm gonna try to use it without any kind of reflectors or soft boxes, just to see how it works, like without anything. Alright, here we go. Currently the light is working at 8% of the maximum brightness, and it doesn't have any kind of soft boxes or something. It's bright. This is the first thing I want to say. But it's a very hard light as for now. It's not soft at all, but it's quite obvious because I'm not using any kind of soft boxes. So let's try to use this one at first, and let's see if it can help with this hard light. Right, so currently I'm using X100 on 10% of the maximum brightness with the softbox, and as you can see, it's way much softer than it was, and I would say that I can use this light for at least streaming, for my portrait photography, and for obviously video recording as I'm doing right now. And as you can see, the quality of the light is really nice. Anyway, I want to try to use one of those. Let me show you. One of those like this. I forgot the name of this. It's a dome diffusion. Right, dome diffusion. So let's see if it has any kind of difference at all. So it's currently working on 18% of the maximum brightness, and far as I can see, probably the light is even more softer than it was with the softbox. And as you can see, the light works really great. One thing I want to show you is how to work with this thing, as I promised. This thing is for you to be able to connect this small light to a huge softbox, like a normal sized softbox. So let me show you how you can do this. So basically all you need to do is to have a big softbox. As you can see, it's really huge. I mean, not the biggest, but anyway, you're gonna need this thing. As you can see, it's not really a big deal. Just hold like this, and that's it. It holds perfectly, and now you can mount this thing to your X100, and then you're gonna work exactly like the other additional devices to this light. So simple as that. Also, I have to mention that while this light was working at 10 to 18% of this maximum brightness, the cooling fan was not working. And finally, at 50% of the maximum brightness, I can hear the fan working, and I'm gonna show you the noise of this fan, how much noise it makes. I'm not sure if you could hear anything, but it's very quiet. It's very quiet. Of course, there are a lot of more different ways how you can use this light, but I just wanted to check if this light meets my personal needs. Once more, I want to remind you about the giveaway. Giveaway includes all the additional devices you've seen in this video, so you better check the description under this video. And thank you for watching, and see you soon.